We all want a beautiful garden, lush, green, and full of life. A garden that not only looks good but also feels good to be in. But sometimes, pesky little critters want to join the party too. These uninvited guests can cause quite a bit of trouble, and nobody wants to use harsh chemicals. These can be harmful to our plants, our health, and the environment, especially not around our families and pets. We want our loved ones to enjoy the garden without any worries. That's where organic pest control comes in. It's a safer, more natural way to keep those pests at bay. It's all about working with nature, not against it. By using natural methods, we can create a harmonious garden ecosystem. We can protect our plants and keep our outdoor spaces safe for everyone. Healthy plants mean a healthy garden. Organic gardening means fewer chemicals soaking into our soil and water. This helps maintain the purity of our natural resources. Plus, it helps all those beneficial bugs and critters that keep our gardens balanced and thriving. These little helpers are essential for a vibrant garden. Let's head to the kitchen and get ready to tackle those pesky pests naturally. Today, we're going to whip up some homemade pest control solutions that are both effective and eco-friendly. These recipes use simple ingredients you might already have in your pantry or fridge. For a natural bug spray, mix a tablespoon of dish soap with a quart of water. This simple mixture can help you get rid of many common pests. Put it in a spray bottle and give those pesky aphids a good spritz. This solution is gentle on your plants but tough on bugs. Garlic is another natural pest repellent that you can easily make at home. Blend a few cloves with water and strain the mixture into your spray bottle. This garlic spray is potent and can deter a variety of insects. This works wonders against pesky insects like whiteflies, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Remember to always test your spray on a small area of your plants first to ensure they don't have an adverse reaction. And avoid spraying in the middle of a hot, sunny day to prevent any potential damage to your plants. Some insects are actually great for your garden. Ladybugs, for example, love to munch on aphids, and praying mantises are like the superheroes of the garden, keeping those pesky critters in check. To attract these beneficial insects, plant a variety of flowers and herbs. Things like dill, fennel, and yarrow are like magnets for these helpful critters. You can even buy ladybugs or praying mantises online or at your local garden center. Releasing them into your garden is like inviting a whole army of tiny helpers. Sometimes the best defense is a good barrier. In gardening, this couldn't be more true. Protecting your plants from pests is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Floating row covers, for example, are like little greenhouses for your plants, keeping out cabbage worms and other flying insects. These covers not only shield your plants from pests, but also create a microclimate that can help them grow faster and healthier. Copper tape is another great option. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your plants. Wrap it around the base of your plants to deter slugs and snails. The copper creates a mild electric charge that these pests find unpleasant. They don't like crossing the copper. This method is both eco-friendly and long-lasting. For larger critters like rabbits and deer, consider installing a fence. These animals can cause significant damage if left unchecked. Even a simple chicken wire fence can make a big difference. It acts as a physical barrier that keeps these larger animals out while still allowing sunlight and rain to nourish your plants. Remember, organic pest control is about working with nature. Using natural methods helps maintain the balance of your garden ecosystem. With a little patience and these natural solutions, you can have a healthy, thriving garden you can be proud of. Your efforts will be rewarded with lush, vibrant plants. So go on, get your hands dirty, and don't forget to share your own gardening tips. Sharing knowledge helps everyone grow better gardens and fosters a sense of community.